Got video of it though. Check out this horseshoe crab.
Horseshoe crab?
It had shells all over its back.
What the hell, Ryan? Horseshoe crab? What the hell? Go to... Yes!
Cool. Last minute, I got a last minute video.
Alright, well, they didn't rev. It sucks. But that's cool. That's cool. I saw the Huracan.
Nice.
Why do we see a Huracan, Ryan?
It's where at H2Oi.
Which H2Oi?
Ocean City.
Yeah, I heard someone had their wheels already taken in AC. What the heck's that about?
Yeah, don't go to AC.
Yeah, we made the right choice. So, we're gonna be going out, driving around in a little bit, but I just wanted to give an update because we just decaled up the cars. We got the Mills Garage decal, of course, which you can pick up at zturnerdesigns.com/shop. And we got the Delaware VQs on there because the pipes are going nuts. And Ryan, what didn't we do yet?
I have yet to put a decal on the Mazda.
Ryan's been driving around with this Mazda. People have been like going thumbs up all over the place, taking pictures and stuff. And they have no idea that it's Mills Garage. So, we've got the Mazda. Yo, this is so beautiful.
parking lot is now officially closed. You have to remove yourself and your cars from this parking lot. I need to close the parking lot. You have to remove yourself and your vehicle from the parking lot.
This guy.
Mills Garage. Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below and share the video, and we'll see you next time. next time.